Good evening, dear tutoring classmate. My name is Jose Miguel Ortiz Vera, and this is Task 5 Pronunciation Practice. Point 1 Reading. Read the following text. Try to make your best effort. Pronounce the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind reading, intonation, and stress. Teacher protest. The protest lasts 1 week. The teacher wanted smaller classes and better money. They say that there must be more staff in the school. The school say that there is not money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that the school spend the money on different things. Point 2. Minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. These sounds may confuse English learners. Then pronounce them having in mind this variation of the sound. Cat, pat, white, wise, right, route, kite, night, gate, stay, coat, coat, pink, pink, teal, peel, pitch, pitch, day, pay, pick, pick, deal, peel, duck, back, date, bait, toll, coal, tool, cool, tape, cape, out, coat, town, gown, tie, guy, tape, gape, tool, golf, take, gape, table, gable, think, think, till, feel, ton, fund, tick, big. Point 3. Intonation and stress. Read the following sentence having in mind the suprasemental feature. Statement with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with four stresses. He wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letter very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Statements with five stresses. Alice wrote the letter very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Taya is reading the book you bought yesterday. Special questions following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General, general question, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? That you read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question following a rising intonation. You don't know then, do you? They haven't find it. Half day? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Comment following intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rising intonation. Close the windows, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence following intonation. It's good to see you. It is an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can. He is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. That's all. Thank you so much.